March Madness Day 28. Today we're going to look at stretching your hamstrings. Now, there are a few different ways that you can do this. I'm going to take you through a preparation. I'm going to show you how to use a tool, in this case a loop strap, and I'm also going to show you a myofascial release for this particular exercise. So we're going to lift one leg up, interlacing the hands behind the thigh and just dropping that leg forward. Now this is a really nice preparation because it's quite a big load for that sciatic nerve to just boom, take that leg out straight. So this is really nice to do before you do any stretching, release or exercises like the leg circle. So you're going to slowly extend the knee until you feel a change, and then you're going to come down. So usually that change will be sort of a sense of tightening somewhere along the leg, or even just a little bit of a shake that tells you that the nerve has been engaged. So I'm going to do that one more time. When you reach that point, stop, and now you're going to flex and point 5 times. And you can even do circles if you like as well. Yeah, so you just do about 3 or 4 circles in each direction. And then you're just going to relax and bring that leg down. So this is a great time for you to do some benchmarking. So if we extend both legs out, what can you feel, Mariela, on the side that we've just released?
Already some release in the full leg.
Yeah, feel a bit longer. Yeah. So now the body is not going to get such a shock when you expect your hamstring to all of a sudden do a stretch. So we're going to use a loop strap, the ones that we make and sell here at Hearts and Bones, because they provide a lot of support. And you can also put your hands through the loops. If you can't grip, then putting your hands through means that you still use your arms. So you're going to bring your leg down towards the floor. I don't want there to be any stretch on the leg. And maybe we'll straighten the other leg out as well, because that stops you from tipping your pelvis when you bring the leg up. So push your foot into the loop and then slowly use your arms to pull the leg up until you nudge into the back of that hamstring. Once you've reached that, acknowledge it, and then let the leg go back down again. And again, send your sitting bone forward as the heel comes up. So you've got that sort of two-way stretch through the leg. Good. And then go back down. And we'll just do that about 3 times. Good. And coming back down. Beautiful. So that we would then do obviously on both. So 3 to 5 times of just getting that movement, that lengthened movement in. So this is to create enough flexibility to take the leg up straight for doing things like roll over or corkscrew or leg circles, anything of that vein. So we're going to just do the myofascial stretch on the other leg now. So Mariela's going to pick that leg up and interlace her hand behind the back. And then she's going to allow that leg to really drop forward into her hands. This time, we're going to extend the leg as much as you can. So you don't have to have a straight leg here, and we're also going to try and flex. Now, we want to compress the area that we're going to be using. So Mariela's going to actively push her leg forward into her hand, and then she's going to resist pulling her leg in and release. And again, create that compression, and then she keeps pushing outwards as she pulls in and release. And one more time, push forward and pull in and release. Good. And relax. Lovely. Good. So hopefully you've got 2 nice juicy legs now. So that is the myofascial release for the hamstring. It's a really good way for you to clear out any scar tissue. Maybe if you've had some damage on your hamstring in the past, this would be a great way to be able to release some of that.